Hi guys, and Merry Christmas. Well, at the time of filming this video, it is December 23rd. I just got home from work after a stressful day of the long Christmas rush where everyone wants to do their last minute Christmas shopping. But I will get through it. At the time of filming this, it is December 23rd, like I said, and I should be uploading this on Christmas Day, so hopefully that'll be the case. If not, it may be uploaded on the 26th or whatever, but yeah, Merry Christmas to you all, and today I have received a package. This is the item that is in here, right, is something I've always wanted. I don't know why I've always wanted one of these, but I've been really wanting one of these for a long time. So yeah, the engine that is in here is another GS-4, except this is an earlier design. I've already unboxed one. That's the standard line of Bachmann GS-4. I still love that one. I run that thing a lot now. But my the GS-4 that I always wanted is in here. So let's get right into it. So I think this is one of those boxes that it has a sticky flaps to it. Apparently they don't have any tape, which is not a massive fan of, but I think it's the stickiness has enough effect to keep it shut, so that should be something, I suppose. Yeah, I just got it open. Alright, shoot here. Whoa, packing peanuts. Packing peanuts. Alright. Hey, Railroad Empire, you want me to ship these to your house? You'll make use out of them. Right, that should be all the packing peanuts out. Oh no, I've actually missed another handful. I didn't even lift up the box because I'm so keen to get into this. Now we can get in here. Okay, so got the tape all over here. There we go. It's in another pack? Dude. Okay, no, here it is. Alright. Here we go. Alright, now you're looking at this through a completely different angle. I'm now aiming at the floor because I'm hoping this will be a little bit easier. So, here is the tag code for it. Let's see if I can get that in shot. Sorry about that, I had to get it in focus. HOSP484 with smoke HD headlight or headlight. Tender steam locomotive GS-4 daylight 4449. Ooh, so this is the preserved model, unlike my standard line, which is 4446. So yeah, let's get this thing out of the box. The address was shown right here, but I had to quickly remove it, and I didn't see the engine yet, so alright, it's been here. Oh yeah, there's a little thing here in the Ziploc bag that he said that broke off. Now, I'm not really sure where this goes to, but I'm sure someone will definitely let me know. Now, on with the engine, there's the instructions and stuff for it, some catalogs, or, well, I guess warranty and stuff like that, and there it is. The GS-4 I've always wanted. Don't ask me how. I don't know why I wanted this version, but I just do. Alright, so what should we get out first? How about a tender? I did read this is a pretty tight fit. Alright, got it out. So there it is. There is the Southern Pacific tender. Oops, sorry. Feels pretty light, I must say. The wheels look clean. Yeah, the Southern Pacific tender. Alright. Now get the locomotive out. This is gonna be awkward. Come on. Alright, there we go. Ooh, it's a bit weighty. Feels cold too, I guess because it's been I guess in the van for a couple days. I don't know. But yeah. There is 4449. The old beast herself. That is awesome. So do bear in mind, these are the split chassis models. So I am aware that this thing is a split chassis model. My Niagara from Bachmann is a split chassis model, and that thing still runs fine. And I am aware that these guys do have plastic axles, so... If I just give them a quick little wiggle. Okay, so it looks like they haven't been worn much. That's pretty good. Well, not unless I check them, but you'll really never know. I've been told if you at least wiggle them slightly, and if they're not too loose, then then you should be okay. That means the axles haven't failed. At least it's what I heard from the experience. But yeah, that is awesome. And I'm super happy to finally own 4449, since that is the only GS-4 that is preserved. Come to look of it, I'm looking at my other GS-4 I just recently got, and this one looks lighter than the standard line when it comes to color. I'll compare them in a minute, but right now I want to test this. I really do. Let's put it on the track. And here's this little piece again. Like I said, I'm sure at least one of you will tell me where that goes, because I'm not gonna pretend I know. So yeah, do let me know where that goes, and I'll see if I can refit this. Alright, so let's get the locomotive on the track. I'll put the tender on first. Ooh, nice free-rolling tender. I don't know, the colors do look the same. I think the Southern Pacific lettering is more noticeable on this version rather than this one, but it's still pretty noticeable. So there's the tender. Get the locomotive. Alright. Alright, now couple them together. I've never dealt with this type of tender connection before, so bear with me. That was relatively easy. Alright. Another shot. Yeah, just about. Alright. Let me get it in focus for you. Alright, I think I just about got it in focus. I'll take a sip of my Coca-Cola. Now, let's see if she'll move. I'm pretty sure she will. Yeah. Sweet. Now bear in mind, I didn't actually put any smoke fluid in this yet, so I think you may see a bit of a whisk coming out, since that this thing does have a smoke unit. But at the moment, I'm not going to put the smoke fluid in. Maybe not yet, at least. But yeah, this thing runs awesome. I'm loving it. Actually, if you just look close enough, like really close, you will see the smoke. The camera won't be able to pick it up, but if you at least look decent enough, you will see it. It's just very, very thin now. And there's 4446 just sitting in the other track. And here comes 4449. Nice. Alright, so I just stopped the engine right here. It's had a good couple laps, so you know what, I think I'm just going to put some smoke fluid in, because why not? I already have a spare bottle right here, so I think I might go with 3 drops, since the element warmed up a little bit. I think I might clean it up after this. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's 3 right there. I'm not going to do 4, just in case. I think I might turn the fan off in case that has any effect on the smoke. Alright. Let's bring this thing around. Let's take it out. Hey, I also noticed there's 99 on the headboard right there, but oh well. I do apologize if the camera will be chaotic, so bear with me. Right, I didn't know it would happen, but the smoke bursted out. Look at that. Oh man. There was a lot of smoke. That is just so cool. I don't know how I'll get that in focus, but man, that is just awesome. Sorry, I wasn't in focus there. Now there's a centimeter from that thing. Yeah. Still going a little bit, but it's about run out, which is fine. Because I don't know if I plan to use it again. Maybe I might. But yeah. It always fascinates me to see model train smoke. It's just so cool. Unfortunately, some models I can't use it on. One of them right there. But yeah. That is just awesome. So I think I did try to talk about the color differences between the two models. They do have the same color. I just feel like this one is just a little bit more darker. I think it's just prototypical. And excuse me, a bit of hair on there. This one has a little bit of a lighter color, as you may have seen. The daylight on this one, well, the daylight logo looks more crisp, and it looks more, how do you say, visible? This one is still visible too. You can probably still see it right here. It's just that I guess they didn't use some sort of effect to make it look more visible, if you can even call that. The running number, you can still see it as well as the Southern Pacific logo, but this one does stand out a little bit more. I think the more color on this is a little bit more accurate. And like I said, this one still is too. It's just not as accurate as this one. Not 100% on this one, but it still does look good. Anyways, like I said, I do promise that I will get some Southern Pacific coaches for these two, since I now have two GS-4 locomotives. But she will be pulling the Palmaya, well, 4449 will. And I kind of want it, if I can talk properly, I do want this one to also pull something that's pretty cool. And the Palmaya is the coolest train that I got in my collection. So yeah, I would love to see 4449 haul all of this, since she is now the pride and joy of this video. Let me hook the camera up to the tripod and we will get it running. And I should also mention that this engine is preserved too, and I think it's still in operation today, which is awesome to see. So yeah, that is definitely awesome. Oh, and by the way, I won't be putting any more smoke fluid in the model, just so you know. I kind of want to see it run with the coaches, because I've always wanted a GS-4 in this era of Bachmann. I don't know why. I just wanted one, and I finally have one, so yeah. Oh, wrong direction. No. She can only just do it. Oh well. At least she can pull them. She really does look good pulling that train. I must admit it. Since she pulled the American Freedom train, this kind of looks similar, doesn't it? Since these coaches have an American feel to it. So maybe you can call this an American Freedom train Part 2, just not with the 611 or the Reading T1 pulling it. Well, I guess that was a museum train, actually. It wasn't an ordinary passenger train. But, hey, you know, you can still call it an American Freedom train, sort of. I think it still looks cool. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think so. I think that element may have just a little bit of smoke fluid in there. I didn't add any before she pulled this train, but I can just see some winds of it smoke. Yeah, I can just see a little bit of it. I don't think the camera will pick it up if I try to show proof, but yeah, maybe I'll try. I do apologize if it's out of focus, but I will try to show the smoke, even if it's just very, very little. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, since it's just a really small wisp of it. But it is there. Hopefully the camera at least picked it up. It's pretty stupid of me to show. So there you go, that is the unboxing of my second GS-4, although this is the earlier design of Bachmann. Well, these two are the same, still the same exact tooling. It's pretty dated now, but it's still new to me. But yeah, even though it is a split chassis design, I still have always wanted one of these. I really don't know why. I've always dreamed of owning one, and I finally have one, so there's that. I did not want to get a pancake drive version of this thing because the pancake drive sucks. I do have a Burlington Root engine with the pancake drive. That one still runs, but its hauling capability sucks, and there are times where the wheels get out of line, and it's so annoying to fix that. And I do understand that split chassis stuff are difficult to service. When it comes to that, you can only go so far, and it's so easy to mess up something. So yeah, once you mess up something, once you service the split chassis design, you could easily short this thing out, and that is what I definitely got to be careful with on this thing. So yeah, that is my new GS-4, my second GS-4. And it's $44.49, oddly enough, so yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'm not really happy to have this thing. It's definitely not going anywhere. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.